too many to count, actually. I've probably taken everything that she's offered, from Reiki, mediumship development, psychic development, learning how to clear spaces in homes, healing course at one point. It was a good review for me, and I learned a few other additional things that I've utilized in my with skills I already had. It helped me up them a notch, or just practice them in a different manner. So it's helped with my private practice, and it's also helped with how I do things in my personal time with my personal life. So it's helped twofold. Well, my background is a psychotherapist, so I would say that having developed my psychic faculties, my mediumistic, it helps me to do a blend between the two in appointments that I have, whether they're specific to that, whether it's a psychic reading or even a mediumship. Pushing people to start fast and to work fast is a good way for them to build up confidence and to get going with their development and with work if they're interested in taking it out to the public sector.
I have done almost every workshop that Lee has ever offered. I started off with the mediumship and the psychic ability workshop, and we've moved on to healing and developed my mediumship tremendously, my psychic ability. I do energy healing work. I work closely with the angels. I've actually felt where I belong and have found people that are very sensitive and spiritual like I am. It actually has put me on a much higher vibration of life, and I really work with the Ascended Masters and the angels to work with the love and joy vibration, and it has affected every relationship that I have, personal and work-wise. I find that what I ask gets manifested, and it comes true.
With her, that really put an impact on my life. It helped find my ovarian cancer. I just was never losing weight. I was working out and eating right and dieting, and I could never lose it. And it was whatever energy she put in. I was taught how to meditate and to find that peace within myself. So if you have a hectic day or a crazy day, you can always meditate at the end of the day, during the day, get yourself back to a good place. And that was really the most important thing. It helped me find and learn how to use. I always had that ability. I think I'm sharper now than I've ever been.
Oh, I have taken unfoldment to mediumship. I've taken psychic classes, tarot classes, spirit release. You name it, I've taken it. And I don't know what it is about her, but she develops you in a way that makes you feel positive, and I think you trust your instincts and your gut more. And she gets you through the process, not feeling uneasy about it. It feels like home. It feels like this is where I belong. And I think that a lot of people get that from her. My whole life has changed. Be afraid to go out there in the world and share them with other human beings. Lee has that about her, that she can know a gazillion things and share it with you and not be afraid. Like, she doesn't keep it from you. Like, she'll share that with you so that you can then pass it on. Learn from that and pass it on. And I've learned that from her. I think that's a great thing to have. I feel people out more now. Yeah, it comes to me quicker than before. Before I would be a little too trusting and let people kind of use me as a doormat, and I don't do that anymore. I can sense before I even get into like a deep conversation what kind of person they are, so that's helped me in that aspect.
Okay. Psychic 1, unfoldment to mediumship, Reiki 1 and 2. Nice to be around like-minded people and know that you're not crazy, the things you're feeling and seeing, and have them explained to you, and it's great. I felt I learned a lot and put me in a lot of good direction that I'll be able to help myself and other people. Give me the confidence to open up more about the things that I was feeling and seeing, and didn't too much understand what was happening. And it gave me a lot of confidence that what I was feeling and seeing and hearing is real, it's true, and that I can help other people now.
You